Sa larangan naman mga ka-RSP ng artistry and craftsmanship, isa lang naman ang ating bansa na may pagmamalaki ang kakayahan ng mga Pilipino sa larangan ng sining na hindi lamang pang-lokal kundi pang-international sa galing.
At para mas maunawaan po natin na ang kanilang layunin, husay at maibahagi nila ang Filipino designs, makakapanayan po natin ngayong umaga sina Sir Elmer Harold Garande, ang Division Chief Communication and Content Division at ang exhibitor for Manila Fame, Sir Eric Sanchez. Good morning po at welcome po sa aming programa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga sa lahat ng nanonood.
Alright. Sir Elmer, ang Manila Fame ay patungkol sa pag-showcase ang artistry and craftsmanship ng mga Pilipino. Can you give us more information patungkol sa Manila Fame at kumusta po ang naging journey nito all throughout the years?
Well, Manila Fame is the country's premier home fashion and lifestyle trade show. Ito ay taon na ginaganap at nagsimula ito noong 1983. Ang Center for International Trade Expositions and Missions ang nag-o-organize nito na isang ahensya under ng DTI. So this year is our 73rd edition and our 42nd year of holding Manila Fame. So ito ay magaganap mula October 16 hanggang October 18. In the trade show hours, it opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. So tatlong araw ito magaganap simula Huwebes ngayong linggo.
Ayun. Sir Elmer, Leslie po ito. Since ngayong October po, magkakaroon po kayo ng Manila Fame 2025. So how was the preparation naman po so far para po sa event na ito?
Well, halos buong taon kami naghahanda para sa trade show na to. Kasi kumbaga, it's an international event. Ito ay lalahukan ng mahigit 300 na Filipino enterprises. So we're talking about all over the country, maraming enterprises all over the country ang makikita nyo doon, World Trade Center. At syempre, bilang isang trade show, kailangan meron mga buyers. So we are actually expecting more than 1,000 international buyers to go to the show. In addition to that, we're also expecting about 6,000 to 7,000 visitors and guests.
Alright.
So, mahabang preparation kasi syempre, we need to recruit exhibitors, we need to onboard them, we need to also guide them as far as what products to showcase.
Alright. Kay Sir Eric, isa po kayong exhibitor dito sa Manila Fame. Ilang taon na po kayo sa industriyang ito at paano po kayo naghahanda para dito?
Hello, good morning. We started in 2015, but we got into Manila Fame in 2017. So it's been a long time already. How do we prepare? Manila Fame has always been part of our product design work and collection every year. So we actually start thinking about Manila Fame right after the previous Manila Fame. So we really have to think of what's going on because we kind of learn what works and doesn't work when we make an exhibit, when we present our collections. So actually on the second day, we kind of know already in terms of what will work, what shouldn't work, and what is good for the local market and what's good for export. So we kind of think about Manila Fame the following year, a day after our participation here. So by Saturday this week, we are already preparing for next year's Manila Fame.
Ayun. Sir Eric, ano po ba yung art craft na ibabahagi niyo po dito sa event? At sa tingin niyo po, paano po ba nakakatulong yung mga ganito pong klase ng expo, especially po sa art craft po ninyo or sa iba pa pong artists and designers?
For me, I design for my own brand, Red Slab Pottery. We are based in Tarlac. And then we are actually sponsored by the provincial government. Although this year, through our governor, Christian Yap. And then I'm also part of a collaboration with Jump Not. So that is also our booth. So dalawang booth kami. The exhibition actually tells you your place in the world. So it's not really just your place in the province or in the or in your region or national. Malalaman mo yung gawa mo kung saan siya babagay in the total commerce of for us pottery. We do pottery, so home decor and gardenware kami, and art pieces. So malalaman mo kung meron kang potential for something, for a big order, for a 40-foot container, or it will be for just boutique shops, or mas are you geared towards museum piece? So that kind of navigation in the world of art decor and commerce, Manila Fame will tell you where to go actually.
Alright, Sir Elmer, ang tema ng inyong event ngayong taon ay Objects of Nature. Bakit ito po yung tema at ano po yung purpose nito sa gaganapin ng Manila Fame 2025?
Ang tema ngayong taon, Objects of Nature. Okay, hindi naman mahirap isipin kung bakit Objects of Nature kasi to describe our Philippine enterprises in the design industry, our strength has always been one, being handcrafted, and two, being a country rich in resources. Okay, we always have nature as inspiration and of course source of materials. So bilang yun ang strength ng Philippine design, bakit hindi yun ang maging tema natin? Kasi kumbaga that's our unique selling proposition already, and that is what has established Philippine design in general to the rest of the world.
Ayun.
Alright, so mga ka-RSP, hindi lang pala to, iba-iba palang produkto to. May pottery, may bags, may home decor.
Alam niyo, maganda pumunta sa mga ganyan kasi nakikita natin yung talento ng Pilipino.
Yes, Sir Elmer, go ahead.
Para sa ating mga tagapanood, ang malawak talaga ang sakop ng Manila Fame. So, nandyan ang furniture, lamps and lighting, home decor, holiday decor, and fashion. Fashion alone, malawak din yan. Nandun yung kumaga accessories, apparel, and footwear. So, kumaga, there's something for everyone who intends to attend our show.
Ayun, Sir
Alright.
Elmer, siguro mensahe na lang po at imbitasyon sa ating mga manonood para sa paparating na Manila Fame 2025 dahil exciting, talagang maraming ino-offer.
Okay, again, inaanyayahan po namin lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon na dumulog sa Manila Fame starting October 16 to October 18, and it's going to be held at the World Trade Center Metro Manila sa may Pasay City. So our show opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 7 p.m. Ang aming entrance rate ay 500 pesos, and then of course we have discounts applied as usual. And then for government employees, libre po. At kung hindi man po kayo nasa negosyo, pagninegosyo ng mga design products, maaari pa rin kayong pumunta kasi makakakuha kayo ng mga inspirasyon. Meron din po kami mga seminars na pwede nyo rin daluhan o puntahan.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak para sa Manila Fame 2025 dito sa aming programa, Sir Elmer Harold Grande and Sir Eric Sanchez.
Salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.